There's three ways you can use Claude: chat, Cowork, and code. Each of them have specific uses for specific scenarios. Chat is 90% of your Claude usage. It's for situations where you have limited context and you're asking for specific inputs and outputs. For example, you upload a construction contract and then you ask Claude to review it and prepare a departures register. There's a single input or maybe two or three inputs, and then you have a specific output template you want. If you're then finding yourself in situations where you have multiple inputs and multiple outputs, then you should move to using Cowork. While Cowork has a similar chat interface, it operates differently with how it accesses context. You select a folder on your desktop for it to operate in, and then it can access and read and write to all the files within that folder. For example, I'm choosing for it to operate in this folder where I have all of my template construction documents. I'm then asking Cowork to pre-populate all my standard templates for a new folder, and it's reading through every file in that folder and it is populating it with my project information. So what it did here is, if I look at my template documents, they're all blank templates. For example, this is a blank swims template. It doesn't have any of my project information in it. What Cowork did is it took my template folder, it copied it, it set it up for my project, and then it has gone and populated all my swims with the different construction tasks I need to do. Now, this makes sense to use Cowork in this situation because doing this through the chat interface would be rather laborious. We would have to be copying in every single document and pulling every document out. The problem with using Cowork is because it has access to all your files and folders, it's much less secure and therefore has the potential to go rogue and do a lot of random stuff. It could potentially delete all your files, edit things you didn't ask for, and basically go off and do tasks that you didn't really want it to. But with Cowork, another limitation is that it can only read and write to files within your desktop. If you want to build tools that connect to your accounting software, your construction management software, other potential software or apps you want it to write to, you should be using Claude Code. Now, I should just briefly say, you don't always have to use code to write to external tools. Through the customization and connectors features of Claude, there are some pre-built software integrations like Google Drive, Notion, or now my estimating software Opera also has a connector. But if you're working with software that doesn't have a pre-built connector, then you can easily set up your own connections using Claude Code. Now, it's called code, but it's really not that technical. You just have to be able to articulate and describe what you want it to do, then Claude can write its own code and execute that code to perform the task. For example, I set up a tool that connects to my email inbox. It pulls all the emails from the last 24 hours, and then for each of those emails, it classifies whether it has commercial or contractual implications, and then classifies that and then emails me a report. So that is the way it does this is it wrote a script that accesses Gmail. So there's tools called APIs where you can read and write data from apps. It wrote a script that calls the Gmail API, pulls the data, writes it to a spreadsheet, and then sends me a summary. This is just one example. There's 100 other ways you could use it, but really to make it integrate with any existing software you can use, you can easily use Claude. As long as you can describe what you want, you can set up scripts and automations that will do this for you. So really, when we're talking about chat, Cowork, and code, it's really, really simple way to think about this is if you can paste everything into one conversation, the best way to do this is with chat. If you're reading and writing to multiple files and you are aware of the risk that it could potentially delete or do unwanted things, so you have to be very specific about what you ask it to do, you should be using Cowork. But if you want to connect to external software that is not already built into the customized connectors library within Claude, you can write scripts that do this using Claude Code.